Hi, this is Mama Maths. Question 1 from part 3 of the qualifying stage. What is the largest prime number which divides 2 plus 2 times 2 factorial and so on until 2023 times 2023 factorial over 2022 factorial? Okay, if you see this part, this is actually k times k factorial, right? So if we want to start at 1, since this is 2, you could write it as 1 plus 1 times 1 factorial. Now let's include the 1. We can write this now as k times k factorial summation from I equals 1 to 2023. Now what is this one? Is there any other way that we can write it? We can start at k plus 1 factorial. So we actually are subtracting from here k factorial. This is its equivalent. So let's write it again. K plus 1 factorial minus k factorial. Get the sum from I equals 1 to 2023. We're not stopping here. Now, what is this if we write it one by one? This is the same as 2 factorial minus 1 factorial plus 3 factorial minus 2 factorial plus 4 factorial minus 3 factorial and so on until 2024 factorial minus 2023 factorial. So what do you notice? We can actually cancel out the 2, 2, 3, minus 3, 4, and so on, and also the 2023 here. So what's left is 2024 minus 1 factorial. So the sum here, so don't forget the 1 here, 1 plus 2024 factorial minus 1 over 2022 factorial. So this cancels out. We have 2024 times 2023. Now what do we need? We need the prime factorization of this one. 2024, you have 2, 1012, 2, 506, 2, 253, 11, and 23. Okay, so you have 2 cubed times 11 times 23. 2023 is 7 times 17 squared. Any tip here, if you're doing Olympiad maths, try to find the number properties of the year. It will be helpful. Okay, so now the highest prime is now 23. Okay,